The skyline of Newcastle has many landmarks, but none stand taller in history than Christ Church Cathedral. Perched high above the city on the hill, the cathedral has watched over Newcastle for more than 190 years, surviving storms, change, and even disaster. Construction on the current cathedral began in 1883, designed by John Horbury Hunt in a striking Gothic Revival style. Built from warm yellow sandstone, its towering presence became a symbol of strength for the people of Newcastle. And from above, you can truly appreciate the scale and detail of this incredible structure. But in 1989, everything changed. The devastating Newcastle earthquake caused severe damage to the cathedral. Walls cracked, stonework shifted. The future of one of Australia's most iconic churches was suddenly uncertain. Yet the cathedral endured. Massive restoration efforts followed, including the installation of steel, reinforcing rods to strengthen the historic structure while preserving its original character. Today, restoration continues once again, with roof works helping preserve the cathedral for future generations. From the air, the craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. Every stone, every arch, every section of roofing tells part of Newcastle's story. More than just a church, Christ Church Cathedral is part of Newcastle's identity. And as the restoration crews continue their work high above the city, history is being protected one piece at a time.